Ever get to the checkout, ready to tap and pay with your iPhone, only to find out Apple Pay has mysteriously reset itself? Let's troubleshoot why your Apple Pay keeps restarting and how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, let's check the basics. A common culprit is simply an outdated iOS. Make sure you're running the latest version in Settings, General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Next, let's dive into your security settings. Head to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. If you have an older iPhone, scroll down and make sure Apple Pay is toggled on under Use Face ID for or Use Touch ID for. If Face ID or Touch ID settings are good, it's time to check your card. Sometimes a card issuer might require you to re-verify your card details. Open the Wallet app and tap on each card to see if there are any alerts or notifications. Follow the on-screen instructions to re-verify your card. Still having trouble? A deeper reset of your network settings could do the trick. This won't delete your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. To do this, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Finally, in rare cases, a complete erase and restore might be needed as a last resort, but try these steps first. With these tips, you should be back to seamless Apple Pay transactions in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple troubleshooting tips.